her first time getting
This
a
is serious in here.
Really? Woo! Wowza!
Yeah. That was in there for a couple months, huh?
Mm-hmm. At least a few months.
Yeah. Sarah Lexter.
Oh my God.
Wow. No.
What's going on in here?
I'm just torturing your wife.
That's not what it sounded like.
Yeah, this is so tight. There we go. Sarah Lexter. There we go. Sarah Lexter. Hang on. Good. Sarah Lexter. There you go.
Damn, this is the deepest tissue massage I've ever had in my life.
Get down to the right.
Do I need ice, Advil, or vodka?
Just get a little closer there. Keep moving your arm.
What was that? Like, I've had 4 different people working on my crotch in the last week trying to get this thing right.
Too many cooks in the kitchen. Drop your right shoulder down. There we go. Got the one.
Everything feels good?